Hi, it's Owen from Jestic, and today we're going to be making a Caesar dressing using our Vitamix 3 with the aerating container. Most people use this for cold foam and things, for coffee and beverages, but I want to show you how it can be used in the kitchen. We're going to start by going in with our egg yolks, followed by our lemon juice, a splash of red wine vinegar, some acidity, garlic and anchovies, which we've just chopped, a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, a couple dashes of Worcestershire sauce, and salt and pepper, and then our parmesan. Now we're going to place our lid on with the cap taken out so that we can stream in our oil while we're blending. We're then going to stop when we're happy with the consistency. So we're just going to stream our oil in. Because of the speed that this is running at, we don't have to worry about pouring our oil too slowly. We can be fairly liberal with it. Just going to speed it up a bit, get that emulsion going. Then once we can see it's nice and thick and at the consistency we want, and we'll have a taste test. Happy with that? The reason why we're using the aerator disc for this is it's really good at creating that stable emulsion, and we can stream in our oil quickly, not having to do it by hand slowly or even worry that we're going too quick, too slow. It can handle the speed and the intensity while still making a beautiful emulsion. So we're going to take our Caesar dressing, a good few scoops of that into our salad, a little pinch of salt, some pepper, our croutons, and some extra parmesan. Then we're just going to give our salad a toss. Place that on top, bacon around the edge, finish with a little bit more parmesan. Thank you for watching, and I hope you've seen some new uses for the Vitamix Aerating Container. If you want to try it out for yourself, then we've got a test kitchen in Paddock Wood or Manchester that would be more than happy to have you down to test this out yourself.